Hi guys, welcome to another video here. Today I'm going to show you how to do a varnishing on a large painting. Forgive me if you can't hear me too much. I'm trying to pick up the mask at the same time I'm trying to talk to you, but I want to show you how to do an even varnishing on a large painting like this. And so, always wear a mask. Please wear a mask all the time. I don't always wear a mask because I'm an idiot, but I want you guys to wear a mask if you decide to use varnishing on a larger paintings, okay? No matter what kind of varnish it is, always wear a mask. Or spray paint. Okay, here we go. Let me show you what I'm doing here. I got my mask on nice and tight. And what I'm going to do is start from the top. Nice and even. Nice and even. Okay, and then I'm going to turn it around. Face it this way. Do the same thing. Nice and even. Same thing. Turn it around. Start from the top, work your way down. Okay, then last, the bottom, same thing. A little slower this time. Okay, and then we'll do the edges. Okay, carefully pick it up, rotate it. Want to make sure there's a nice sheen on it so you know it covers. It will absorb. Here we go again. Okay. And check it all out. Looks pretty good. And then you go. There you have it. Thanks for watching. That's how you do a painting nice and evenly. Peace out.